Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Quantum Explorers. Today we're going to dive into the fascinating world of quantum computing with the Zapata-Orquestra Quantum Development Kit. Are you ready for a mind-bending experience? Let's go! Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of the Zapata-Orquestra Quantum Development Kit, let's first discuss what Orquestra is. Orquestra is a platform developed by Zapata Computing that allows you to seamlessly integrate various quantum computing frameworks and hardware, making it easier for researchers and developers to experiment with and harness the power of quantum computing. Now that we know what Orquestra is, let's discuss how to get started with the Zapata Orquestra Quantum Development Kit. The first step is to download the Orquestra Python SDK from the official Zapata Computing GitHub repository. Once you've downloaded and installed the SDK, you can start building your own quantum circuits, running quantum algorithms, and visualizing the results. Zapata Orquestra boasts some powerful features that make it a must-have for anyone interested in quantum computing. Let's explore some of these features. Cross-platform compatibility. Orquestra supports multiple quantum computing frameworks, such as Qiskit, Cirq, and Rigetti's Forest, allowing you to work with your preferred platform. Hardware agnostic. Orquestra is designed to work with various quantum computing hardware, including IBM Q, Google's Sycamore, and Rigetti's Aspen. Scalability. Orquestra can efficiently handle large-scale quantum simulations and calculations. Collaborative environment. Orquestra provides a platform for teams to work together on quantum projects and share resources. Now that we've covered the basics, let's walk through an example of how to implement a quantum algorithm using the Zapata Orquestra Quantum Development Kit. In this example, we'll be creating a simple quantum circuit using the Qiskit framework, running the circuit on a simulated quantum computer, and visualizing the results. And there you have it, folks. That's an introduction to the amazing world of quantum computing with the Zapata Orquestra Quantum Development Kit. We've just scratched the surface of what you can do with Orquestra, and I hope you're as excited as I am to explore this powerful platform further. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more quantum computing content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Until next time, please subscribe and thank you for watching the video.